how to see the history of files received through Bluetooth on Android, this tutorial will show you what options are available. First, open the Settings app on your phone. Next, scroll down and tap on Bluetooth. Here, you'll see a list of Bluetooth devices that are currently paired or have been connected to your phone before. Tap on any paired Bluetooth device to view its settings. Depending on your Android version, you'll typically see options such as device name, unpair, media audio, phone calls, or contact sharing. However, if you're looking for a dedicated Bluetooth received files history, most Android devices do not provide a built-in option to view a complete transfer history from the Bluetooth settings page. Instead, files received through Bluetooth are usually saved directly to your device's storage. You can check your Files app, Downloads folder, or the Bluetooth folder in your file manager to locate received files. If you don't see a Bluetooth history option on your device, that's normal, as many Android versions simply don't include this feature. And that's how you can check for Bluetooth received files on Android. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to subscribe for more Android tips and troubleshooting guides.